In this lesson, we will examine the strategy of testing the answer choices when tackling word problems. Now, this strategy is often ignored because some students feel that the approach is not very mathematical, and these students insist on taking a more algebraic approach. For the question shown here, the approach we learned in school would have us assign a variable to one age, and then use this to assign an expression to the other age. From here we can write the following equation, which we can solve for r. This of course is a valid approach. However, there will be times when the traditional approach is the slower approach. Now, since the correct answer is among these 5 options, another approach is to test each answer choice beginning with the middle answer choice. Now, why should we test answer choice C first? Well, you will find that the answer choices on the GMAT are listed in either ascending or descending order. So if you test answer choice C and it does not yield the correct answer, you can sometimes eliminate other answer choices that are either less than or greater than C. Here's what I mean. We're going to use this table to keep track of our work. Now, answer choice C says that Raina is 35 years old. So let's add this to our table. Now, the question tells us that Avi is 11 years older than Raina. So if Raina is 35, then Avi must be 46 years old. When we find the sum of these two ages, we get 81. But the question tells us that the sum of their ages must be 73. So we can eliminate answer choice C since the subsequent ages do not satisfy the given conditions in the question. Also notice that the two ages have yielded a sum of 81, which is greater than the required sum given in the question. In other words, the ages of Raina and Avi are too large to satisfy the given conditions. So Raina's age must be less than 35, which means we can also eliminate answer choices D and E. Notice that after testing just one answer choice, we are already halfway to finding the correct answer. At this point, which answer choice should we test next? Well, it does not matter which one we test next because we are only going to test one more answer choice. If we test answer choice A and it works, then we have found the correct answer. If we test answer choice A and it does not work, then we will know that answer choice B must be the correct answer and we will select it and move on. So let's test answer choice A, which tells us that Raina is 29 years old. Since Avi is 11 years older than Raina,